Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you how to scale the XPression Maps Server starting with XPression Maps 4.0 and higher. When the XPression Maps Server installation is taking place, it's normally put on one computer, and on that computer, the installation will handle the install for the XPression Maps Server rendering engine. It will install the XPression Maps database, and it will install the XPression Maps gateway as a separate installer, but that all gets put on the same piece of hardware in most TV stations. Some stations would like to have a little bit more redundancy, so it's possible to install a second XPression Maps server. So let's go ahead and take a look at what happens when that's done. If I log in as the administrator to the XPression Maps HTML5 client, I go under the administrator tools and I choose server state. And I'll see that I have one server running. And I click on it, it will show me if there's anybody currently using it. Well, I'm going to go into one of my other systems here and I'm going to have somebody kick off the start of an additional Maps server. What we've done there is we've installed the Maps server only on that computer. We didn't reinstall the database. We didn't need to install the gateway. I'm going to use the primary gateway as the only gateway that I need. And what you'll notice is once that's done, I now have an additional server here. I can see that I've got the primary server, which is the computer that I'm currently working on, and I now have the XPression Maps virtual server here, and I can see that information as well. Now, when a user logs into that system, what will wind up happening, actually when they log into the XPression Maps gateway, the one that I'm currently pointed at, you'll notice that as soon as they do, they may pop up and it's probably going to go to the first server, which it just did. You can see Murphy Braun logged in. If I have another user that's going to go ahead and log in as well and try to do some maps work, you'll see that they'll go into the system. What it's actually doing is a round robin. It put them to the second system. And then when a third user goes ahead and logs in to the XPression Maps system, what will wind up happening is they'll be added in, again, not going to the same server, it's going to go to the first server. It'll ping pong back and forth. And if one of those servers goes offline, the gateway server will reroute their rendering request to the opposite map server.